Me manyaska bi was kase jo Mahama. Ma wabon me no kasa. The small economics are me no prempe college no. A Saint John Mahama the communication certificate na hold no. Oh dear. Me dear because me manyaska bi was kase jo Mahama.
Oh, you have money than him?
Of course. I have money more than him.
How about Ibrahim?
Oh, now Wontumi kase was kase.
Aya chairman Wontumi we di boni a sebio omo ahwehwe be hu sane hu bom mu ebi ne sen ebi ne bibia fe no fraud chairman Wontumi bukata nani da ho ele wo bonkofo apo why ne hu se enyo no na eye enso no na eye e na ban ahwehwe mu hu se chairman Wontumi ne ho bon fraud mu odi koti kwan so edi boni your friend fraud wadada nipa wadada man wadada mra washada edi koti kwan so edi emra ne diagro ebu mra ne komu adada Ghana ema your friend so or your fraudster into mo say or your fraudster he is involved in fraud. Yes, Chairman Wontumi has been locked up. Wontumi remains in EOCO custody as lawyers fail to meet bail terms. Ladies and gentlemen, Chairman Wontumi has been locked up. Gigim. Oh, they won't let me out. I'm locked up. They won't let me out. Oh, they won't let me out. Baby, okay, we also the visiting has been terminated. Visiting also the visitor, the visitors no by no call. Chairman Wontumi has been locked up. Aqua Bodam. Many Jimmy Wo. Aqua Bodam. Chairman Wontumi could not meet bail. Hey. Enya kwa we na go to free the pain. Enya akwa we. Enya kwa we na ka che Ghana say sebi otufo yo hiani na onu go de gu ni pa no. Otufo krampo no sebi osufo ai kwakudua sa na mo frɛ no ai azadefo. Enya kwa we na odimi miti baby. So boy. Wait. Wait.
Monfa camera no mon project here mami.
Wait,
that's right.
When your friend goat.
So boy.
When your friend goat. When your friend goat.
When you teso.
When you teso.
Sikakoko.
Etinya krata no a. Ya wono
ekura ye.
Ana ma Ghana enya sika o. What you say? When your friend goat. What you say? And it's a solid money.
Solid money.
Solid money. What you say? Sas kana ye no e dey a liquid.
Yeah.
What you say? A liquid. Mami fa to say na what me ahu. Mami fa to say no what me ahu.
E bi so.
Me de bi ka ho ama na.
Sir.
Me de bi ka ho ama what me ahu. Wait. When your friend says solid. Are you solid?
Sikakoko.
Are you sikakoko solid money?
Number one.
Solid. What does Mami for being count? Hey, me do be count. What does solid money? When we talk about money, it's not a bag go. Bags can you hold? Adia Magana. It's a possible need bag Ghana no. What who was a higher friend has Sika and Puano. What does say? And was a friend has Gold Coast. What you say? Solid money. Mami Fabio Munchro. What you say? Solid. What you say? Solid money. Solid. What you solid money? Mami Fabio Munchro. Solid. Solid money. I'm talking about solid money. What you say? And the casa Wontumi was the car. And your bango. And your gold. And the same gold here I can't watch me. What it? Mami Fabio Munchro. Mami Fabio Munchro. So what? Solid money. We are talking about solid money. Solid money. Oh, and that's Mami Fabio Crasacho. Mami Fabio Musacho. Yo, Mate.
Ghana for young people in Ghana. Assembly banner will be a kebi, no be a allegation. Emrand so moi. Ayana, Chairman Wontumi, you majority of you MPP for you never thought that Chairman Wontumi at a point he'll be begging for his life, sir, on beso beda jail or yare. At a point, now when you say Chairman Wontumi cannot meet bail. They be catching the young people on social media. So what is will be cast on social media now only facts, men kebi. If you hear something, and it's been advice. I'm advising young people a lot. Like UK. There's a girl in UK. Yes, so ware MTTD ni bi ewo eye Ghana or the eye nursing illegal points bi the call UK and wako ware man bi na sa man no mbra be so ne 9 and or UK illegally. And I keep telling the young people, so wo to ebenja o ye dim people don't go there. Majority of you people in Ghana now you say chairman Wontumi die. Why the bet me den saka chairman Wontumi Ghana. Enya physical mra. Eni je de bi ameka che koteketwa. Me say mra na your friend cyber security law no. Sa blackmail law na ya chro no Ghana mra mu no. Aso mu e be din so be jam. They be ameka che the young people. And sometimes people don't get it. Mr. P, Mr. S, are we good? You see, sometimes some of you guys, you don't get it. But you see, sometimes you need to understand. Say, these things, they happen for people to learn something from it. Now, I've heard it say, my team, they are telling me Facebook dropped and that Facebook is going to reconnect. Facebook is going to reconnect. It's basically the song we played. So it's going to reconnect. It's going to be back again. So, and should you see, yati de bebre NPP for kasa edi diatem shetize. Yase chairman Wontumi acheno. Chairman Wontumi the NPP for end the argument nyan say chairman Wontumi onje aban position da. Chairman Wontumi onje a minister da. Chairman Wontumi onje government appointment da. Chairman Wontumi ye Ghana ni. Obi a wa Ghana bia no Ghana mrano sebio ohye mrana se. It does not matter whether you take government appointment or you take ministerial appointment or you do a government ejuma. As far as you are a Ghanaian, emrano o shasiye. Enti omo dinka ka kire MPP base no omo jimino. And omo Dada omo Chairman Wontumi is not better than Gregory Afoko. Chairman Wontumi is not intelligent than Gregory Afoko. Chairman Wontumi, he's not better than anybody who has been caught by the law and dealt with. No. Chairman Wontumi is one ignorant, foolish political activist who has failed to use his common sense to live his life. And the Chairman Wontumi is not any extraordinary, exceptional human being. Say Emrano Asonimua. People want it to look like, say, a national issue that has to be discussed in Parliament. No. Chairman Wontumi is a mere citizen who foolishly has done some things the government or the security agencies have investigated and have solid grounds to keep him and put bail on him. So you cannot just say Chairman Wontumi, who the hell and who the heck who born that dog for NPP for to think say Chairman Wontumi is a national asset. Chairman Wontumi has never been a community asset. Chairman Wontumi has never been a regional asset, and he has never been a national asset. Chairman Wontumi is an ignorant, selfish fool who was intertwined in this stupid political illegality. And I no. Shadebia MPP for the yomo. First day no demonstration no. And conform no, they paid them money.
Looking on, you see a number of them hanging on. Come, let's talk. You have any idea what is happening here? So what are you doing here? Okay. But you are also here just looking at the people.
Because last year they shed money. I'm waiting for the money again.
Oh, you are waiting for money?
Last year they shed money.
They shed money? Who shed the money?
One of them. What's his name?
One of the executives?
Shed money.
How much did you get?
1,300.
You had 1,300?
300.
So in the last 2 days, but you spent 1,000 already. Let me see. Why, was it spread and you packed or he spread?
I was one in front of you. Just here.
Okay. Because you were in front of you were able to pack it now. 1,300. You spent 1,000 already. What did you use it for? You are waiting for another opportunity.
What is happening here? It's not part of my business. Because I'm a truck driver. I'm not a party. Those things.
You
You brought us here. You brought us here.
So, what happened was that first day now, some demonstration. EOCO na omko shija. Eko didn't cause a attack journalists. They were paying people on the street to come there. Sikano Moriano, Ebigudam, Nanabimu and Meska. Nanabimu, and an Edisika car boot, and an omoche in the trunk of a car, and I'll buy the 3,000, the 1,005, Kojinaho, Nekocheja to EOCO. And this is the NPP. This is the typical NPP. This is the NPP we have been talking to you guys about every single day. It's a political party. They always think it's a gun of way Jimmy. And they always use Nkwasiafo for power. So you see the people, some of them there, no. Almost Jack, me mama say be demonstration. You buy no mama iska. Inti me saba ajisika na mabejina okeke. Na so mka say yenshi dan na mashe dan no. Me the adwuma yede me. The NPP is a terrorist group. Now hwade bi om da eche ma Wontumi. You see, me ka kire NPP for. Yeah. Content creator. You see and there NPP MPs are more Ghana for matam sika eti omoka every minute, every second, every hour no. Omoja parliament ne gu osa dien. Enye omo colleague parliament of a member of parliament ena yachi no. Omo say yachi chairman Wontumi. Inti sika ne diama 88 pigs no to sit on their ass to talk about things that Ghana for hiano. Nkwasiafo we say yenye. Ena Jimmy for we Afenyo marking content creator. Makachira mo say MPP omwe Jimmy everade jango. So ya Ghana ni now offer MPP serious. Now wakura no problem o wadwinim. MPP is a group I have never taken serious in my life. Anybody who supports the MPP, anybody who is part of the MPP, anybody who believes in the lies of the MPP and part of the MPP. Miracle, I have never given any attention to such people. Never. Bibiani wa MPP ni beka achiremi abemi ya omwe Jimmy. This is a guy who is supposed to be in parliament. Today, standing in parliament, we were paying this cow to be in parliament to work in our interests. The 88 piglets, they left parliament and said, say, the Jumana Diamo Musa Omunyano, Kasongo Jimmy Afenyo Makino, or Simo Omunye Jumano parliament or Senka another parliamentarian who is part of the piglet. I would have understood. I would have been, okay, it's fine. You are fighting for your colleague in parliament. Now, this is a businessman who, at the end of the day, has nothing to do with government issues in parliament. This is a private individual who, one way or the other, has gone against the law and a bayacheno. But Afenyo Makini MPP for Nkwasiafo we omo Jimia omo base na adwene wo fomunti. Sikana yetua Afenyo Makini ndeno. Afenyo Makini aji sikana di ena weje adwuma na to ena 988 pigs ni di na chi no makota street mu say omo chante. Hey brother na go bo. Kwasia we lead ejimifo ni nyina say yankotena street mu ni enchante. O chante for the end. Adwuma na de man Kwasiafo we he. And a whole woman Mami Penyini, Patricia Piejei, yes, I'm friend. Mami Penyini, with this 68 years, can I see form? With this 68 years, Waboko set, and I to my wash the new fuase, and a washer skirt. On to me, pon sorry, bunko to do, me catch us away, who bought the dog you boo. Where in a year? MPP for penny or deal minimum parliament. Look at this. This is the minority we are looking up to build this nation. Why are they doing this? Yache chairman Wontumi. Who the hell is chairman Wontumi? Kwasia ben ye fere chairman Wontumi. Abua ben ye fere chairman Wontumi. Who is he? Doesn't he have family members? Only lawyer. Chairman Wontumi, only lawyer. So why should people we are paying every single day to sit in parliament to work, Kwasiafo will neglect their job and go sit on a chair, and some sit on the ground and say they are protesting for Chairman Wontumi. Who the fuck is Chairman Wontumi? Chairman Penny Toto way 68 years. Afenyo marking for 47 said Odi 20 obetuma wa Afenyo marking time Odi 21 ko betuma wo Jimmy way. Na Mami Penny Toto. Me catch them say MPP for Jimmy. These are not people we can build a nation with. Anytime we can say election 2028, you know, there's 87 or 86 no more. We need to cut it down to 28. How can we allow such ingrates, such myopic, disturbed group of filthy individuals who don't care about Ejuma Ediamomo? These people will sit in parliament and say ordinary Ghanaians. These are foolish people. And because if we better parliament, no matter say ordinary Ghanaians. And these fools, we are paying them millions every single day. Some questions say what TB way. And questions say what TB way. Ya mamu office say munye djuma, ya the air conditioner to, we are paying you per the minute. Mo de mon kwasi asem asori abetena abontene tete nkonwa so. Apieje we ontumi bunko todwe. Okofo man kan ko todwe mbebu. At the parliament, and this is what we keep telling Ghana for. This group of people from NPP for, you take them serious at your own peril. Me a call. I've never made or allowed NPP comments or anything they say about me to worry me. Never. Because in the first place, I've positioned my brain to say, Omwe Jimmy. There's nothing Jimmy need to me affect me. No. And that is what we all need to understand. Tayl. Abrewa poso onimu nyansa because otria santimemu the constituency no odi odwan kurasi so mbeto ama no enti she does not care enya mamu na gotina angel fm no kan kwasam no. This is the kind of people in the NPP. These are the kind of people, and we all have to understand now. Here dey be chairman Wontumi. You see, now omo ka chairman Wontumi say, sorry, I'm trying to find. NPP MPs will sleep at EOCO until Wontumi is treated fairly. Monko busana ju say when eti eye EOCO office wo. NPP MPs catch chairman Wontumi say, "Yanko baby a ye betena ha kopim say ye beyi ye nti ase me say nwumre kokohwe kwasiafo akode do mo jantena girlfriends echi." Omu MPP base ni so mo agimi. Omu mbu omu because omu adwene wo form. This is a political party. Abronye to meet your report, not run a resource about. And some of them will fall for it. Inti Omuka Chairman Wontumi, NPP MPs, we are going to stay out here till Chairman Wontumi is treated fairly. Ever since the Chairman Wontumi is still in. Koyoko anymore kwese kwasi ampenyi when group of 77 fools no sabakumpo tiwa, they are gone. Mami way and sa boy way, amuna must say NPP no. From the day Omoya Afenyo marking minority leader and NPP ni guye, it means to say the party does not have any intelligent leader leading them. Mibusa me say go back to EOCO office. Nebusa almost say eye EOCO no muka so mbeda ho anadwi nyina no. Are they still there? Busa say MPP MPs 88 fools no kohese ba akumpo ho, none of them. But almost say oma catch the ejimi forum wo form no, oma catch mo grassroots no, oma catch mo base no, because oma mo sori nim so oma mo form na ejimi. Oya Ghana ni a na MPP ni di watema, don't be worried one bit. Ma wa dwene enkyere wo se we jimi dada. It is almost MPP ni kasatiao, MPP ni eka bibitiawa. Don't be bothered because the MPP as a political party omo ejimi. They don't think. They play on the conscience of majority of their followers who don't read, who don't go to school. Metima catch 80% of them MPP are illiterates. Actually, me akona me better na saking kind some church muchiromo. Omanga some followers. 80% of them go school da. They cannot read and write. They are full illiterates. Inti kasongo wongwaza dio de omo. Na mibuso mo say on the street. See what they were doing. Deviana omo yehwe jimi fo no na di omo adwuma no Tell me catch rebel. This is a political party. Omo mudi echire no, omo no mo allow omo mo so ni treat omo so mo Jimmy. You see? Omo mo ka so mo da EOCO ma de achi no ba kumpo ni wo nkwasi afo he. See what they were doing. See Afenyo ma kunhwe de na mo. Me catch him say, you people should keep the NPP in opposition for 42 years. These are not people who can govern. When conform Mahama no papa ya to about almost so monko parliament. No monko eden, omonko shemra, omonko dwene Ghana for ho. Na omomwa ne endwene ne mfa emra papa mra na mfa mbo Ghana ho ban hwenkwase ade omoye. Adentina Mahama nom embrewa poso enkokora kakawura yomutiri ho wemu esifo ne ade. Why have they left their office to come and sit here? Adentia say Chairman Wontumi. Who the heck is Chairman Wontumi? And a foreign dignitary Ghana does not know who the heck Chairman Wontumi is. Who is he? Who the heck is Chairman Wontumi? That is the question we need to be asking these people. They are a disgraceful bunch of idiots. They don't think. And they need to stay in opposition for 42 years. And it is a curse I've placed on them. They cannot take that curse away. It is something they will live with. And they are going to live with the 42 years in opposition. They cannot get out of it. And I'll make sure this thing called the NPP, this thing, I nullify it. Me guru. Me we are na matoshna pa koche otumfo. Say na me gu party no. Because o party no, me na woka say, omo mu di anim na jimi. Otumfo yo hene kase oyi adehye so mu ndi party anim a onyi nkwasiafo. Na bebi edri de I say otumfo wa yiweni. Na party na akronfo na jimi fo akodi anim. Na me gu no. Me dinsi atoso abodue gu so me wi amato ho snap de abecha wo onana ne me na me nana wo me do party ni ati ni menhia no party na baafo akototete ni mawro mu te 700 pounds no party na ne say party enyansafo no hwende onana nom odufo hwe onana nom hwe jimi odufo se tutu hwe onana nom hwe jimi hwe onana nom a wa me to mo so aba yeyi omo so mu ndi party anim enkopem puntomra santeman enkopem puntonti wanim enkopem puntome yensi galamsi ano ewa santememu enkopem puntomra na insupamra enkopem puntomra na asantememu nte na investors mra na companies yembia bi no wonananom na sebio omse party no de emensia dia na de atwa obofuruma no otumfo e hwa wonananom hwa jimi nana hwa jimi mame bonchire obi otumfo mi so hwa me Omumbu MPP for no oh shoes I just omo Afenyo marking or red soul shoe was red soul shoe the court office Kobuta and Sene boy saying MPP for Jimmy entina make catch otum for na me do pia o nana nam no di MPP edim na Jimmy na omo ye demonstration na samia ugu en kojo pon krom am omo en Omu Afenyo ma kem na page mu so mo jimi. Omo to nka hwea. Samia wuku ni to nka hwea o. Kojo ponkroma ne to nka hwea. Sa ankwasi aforo makara omo to nka hwea. Party ni nyansani nim. And I see doing Ketia as a national chairman. Kwasi adi we betuma akoso wa bodam who born dog. But party mu chairman wadane ko. Yehwe nsu ogunu so te chairman adane eko. General Secretary Pentium 2. We cannot understand what you are saying and that we are in power and people are intimidating us and we don't know. Party no shadana be. I said Ben to Asha the two. Who is intelligent in this group? Otumfo Guno. But me won say dima onana. Me won say party ni Guno aye dima on. Me chen hene onana Kevin Tayl. Nana do me na me se me do. Eni tira ko school Abronye we ni ate. And I was about golf. I infunyina Tiger Woods na me do. Party we Jimmy for the day ni me Guno. Nyoma mi ansana na egu enim ase. Asante Kotoko eye football club any NPP and asebi onapo. Esi aye nyehu se napo de na eye duabo into on na to nchen eye okay. Asante Kotoko se omu jam na so kakra. Omu hye ne ahye omo eye okay. Se si a third one egu enim ase pa ne nkwasiafo yi. Nana me Guno. Problem e da so me ye firi so. Nana what is say Kwame Nkrumah ba, what is say Komfanoche ba, what is say Yasanto ba, de bia ogu nsasa wo nananom omfa this year hero mra emia nana. Ensa wegu a nananom enyi ogefo ne mra nana emia. Chanchan hini Kevin Tayl osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah aka Komfanoche. Nana maba meguno. Nana o biggest burden any side na friend the party with NPP. Meguno abosudua edison tam edi snap egu so ato snap so acha wo. Omo ejimi. Now, Mamenchawadi Kudientia Mahama Bawumia is not an intelligent politician and he's very weak-minded. Oh, such a Wontumi asem we start here, no. Say, Chairman Wontumi, there is nowhere a buying or the security agency to say EOCO, any CID will invite Chairman Wontumi, Abra Chairman Wontumi, NJBBA. Never. Say EOCO. And answer a CID office, Eton and Safrobia. It means they have something and they want clarification or something that they want answers to, something that they believe can, at the end of the day, set you the person free or clear your name. So every time you are being called by security agency, it is not necessarily say be with the bonnet. Sometimes CID office will say obi di wudi ye bibi. Because they want you to come, give them information about you, and show you, say, somebody is using your name to do something. Until they want to protect you as a citizen. Sometimes, CID betuma fro, no ma se busa say, yate se wo ye bibi. Na bibi na wo ye de ebia wo kra wo nim se wo bokro no. Inti twe ho free dia wo ye no ho is part of interrogation. They can also do that. EOCO betuma to mo nsa fro ebusa say asemesi uchi car bi na car na uchi no ya traki car na wu se car no se bi wan ton Ghana ha na nipa oton ma wa abrochire no oye kromfo enti car no fakrata abra se na be ya imbre bi bedu no obi nka se wo ye kromfo a oto akromfo car. The CID or the EOCO guys will be trying to help you in that instance. The same way the EOCO guys can call you and tell you say ya ti se wankasa o de car we and in Ghana, would did you maybe any so would did you Eddie into a from abo koko into wokono men for saka when could decide you man. So when the police calls you, when the CID calls you, when the EOCO or government security agency calls you, it is not necessarily say with the bonnet. Sometimes they are calling you to protect you. Sometimes you're witness protection. Sometimes you're civil protection. Say your life is in danger. We want to keep you in a safe house because in conformity the bound to be able to so into a protector. They do all these things. Actually, when Jimmy na want security I say. Into MPP for Adwinimuno ana Mahama Bawumia Adwinimuno. The moment somebody is called to Ghana CID or EOCO, that person automatically is a criminal. That is how low-minded and unintelligent Obitise Mahama Bawumia is. Now, your friend Chairman Wontumi called CID, no? The reason why he was called to the CID was about akonta mining, illegal mining. And then he was actually invited or picked to the EOCO to be questioned on other things. And to you, as a former vice president, the longest serving the vice president in Ghana and the longest serving opposition running mate in this country, 16 years in politics, active politics. Where Jimmy Kurano, I was so utnas now chain. Now get to the bottom of the matter before you foolishly speak. Where politics 101. These are the silly mistakes John Mahama never did when he was in opposition. Even when NDC people were picked up, you never saw John Mahama quickly come on social media to talk, hey, why have you picked? He waited to see exactly what the person who has been picked up, what he has done. You see, so the whole thing is, the whole issue is, you as a leader of a party, you as a former vice president, you who want to lead the NPP again, what you do is you wait for the final facts before you foolishly or sheepishly come out with a statement. Mamu Hadie. This is Mahmudu Bawumia. Yeah, Chairman Wontumi, yeah, interrogating. Remember, Chairman Wontumi is still under investigations. Chairman Wontumi is still being interrogated. Nobody has claimed on TV or on radio or from any security agency say Chairman Wontumi is guilty of a crime. Nobody. Chairman Wontumi is going through the process any Ghanaian will go through when you are invited or you are picked up by the police or intelligence. So as we speak tonight, Chairman Wontumi has not been pronounced guilty. Chairman Wontumi is going through the process. He's going through protocol. He's going through what the police, the EOCO, the security agencies do when somebody is picked, invited, or somebody, whatever, you have an engagement with them. And nobody in Ghana today can say, Chairman Wontumi, nobody. And anyone in Ghana, even the president of the republic, can be invited. When it comes to that point, if somebody, if he has to come and see the police. John Dramani Mahama, when in opposition, he was invited by the OSP. John Mahama honored the invitation. Wanko, Okoye. At the end of the day, was John Mahama jailed? At the end of the day, what happened? The OSP, through the interaction and investigations and interrogation of John Mahama, came to the conclusion, said, it was just a story made up by Gabi Ochidakon, MPP, to defame John Mahama. He came back with his report and said, John Mahama is not guilty, has no connection to Airbus scandal. And yet, is gone. Inti, you, Mahamudu Bawumia, you want to lead a dumb party. You are the person who took the party to opposition. You, Kennedy Agyapong, Brian Champong, you are the same clique that stood on platforms to threaten Ghanaians, insult Ghanaians in our faces, to dance Sifia, as a government. You took the party into opposition. 1.8 million people said you are fools. They don't want you to lead. This should at least give you some sense of maturity, and your actions should always be very, very careful. Now, Diana Bawumia, charges against Wontumi are vague. His whereabouts remains unknown. Menawoka say, Obienu Obetumaka the Chairman Wontumi is missing. Nobody. Even the lawyer of Chairman Wontumi has not come out to say my client is missing. Enti Mahamudu Bawumia, on what basis? And are you calling yourself a leader? You calling yourself somebody who wants to lead a piglet party? How can I sit here and trust your sense of judgment? Now, Mami read Bawumia statement in Inchiro. This is a full statement he released. And it will shock you to know, say, Mahamudu Bawumia can never be taken serious as a politician. He's a joker, a liar. He just wants public sympathy. He thinks he can do street politics. Not Ghana for Yejiminti. Yes, Bawumia. No, Bawumia is not intelligent. He's not smart. Bawumia is not matured to lead a political party. Shadie, I am deeply concerned about the arrest and continued detention of the Ashanti Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Mr. Bernard Ejubosiaku Wontumi, particularly as the charges remain vague and his whereabouts remains unknown. PZ for Muntina Meya Sade win kamenye motuana mudi matem enso mudu do monte brofo. Mo party tenkran eno mudi nkwasiasem ena moti PZ eno mo Dada mo ena moti wo kontokwa ena mpunti okoso won kran ena moti PZ na nkranfo no hum sam yinkurasefo. Mia Kevin Tayl ya na wo se meba na mebe kenkan na me kan ne brofo dwedwam otwi asantika se mamote. Nti wo bie wa no di matem a eye insu wa santima etwa ho hye nkum efi say oda ho hye me ope mfutuo ene ensempa ne free ha egigim. Now Jamaican first paragraph Bawumia say, I am deeply concerned about the arrest and continued detention of the Ashanti regional chairman of the Need Patriotic Party. Or see, Bibi Hano. Now, Adi Hano say, Yachi, and I say, Yachi, ya French Wontumi ako EOCO, and yan mana tina ho, on the Hano no, no can be so. Or say, particularly as the charges remain vague, or say, dear a hand upon say, charges are about Chairman Wontumi no. The question here is, the time Bawumia was writing this statement, the time he was writing this statement, had he been briefed about the charges? This is where misinformation starts. This is where we get politicians misleading a nation for people to get on the street and kill other civilians. Mahmoud Bawumia, by the time he was releasing this statement, he did not have knowledge about the charges that has been put before Chairman Wontumi. He goes on to say, and his whereabouts remains unknown. Chairman Wontumi, or say, Chairman Wontumi ayira. One, Bawumia say charges near vague. Charges ben Bawumia who ye free EOCO. Otumi tina the office car say charges near vague. Meaning Bawumia ni munyansa. He is not a leader. Secondly, or say, Chairman Wontumi ayira. The whole day, Chairman Wontumi be seen there. The lawyer has never stood anywhere on any platform to say the client naira. So this is a former vice president who wants to be president. This is how weak, how low IQ Kutano, how foolish he believes. Say, he can throw anything in the system for them to come out there and attack the EOCO office. Because this statement from Bawumia incited the base to go there and bend tires. Now, second paragraph. In a democratic environment as ours, no individual is above the law. Equally, no Ghanaian, regardless of political affiliation or status, should ever be denied their constitutional rights. In the first place, Bawumia say Ghana etino embrani adwuma eni se Ghana ni bia o Ghana ye gin to me and I say the fan with the free nsem. In the first place, the lawyer of Chairman Wontumi Apiakubi has never said Chairman Wontumi's rights were taken from him. The lawyer has never made any statement say Chairman Wontumi ya bona sum. Chairman Wontumi has been hanged. Chairman Wontumi is going through some maltreatment. Chairman Wontumi is screaming for his life. The Chairman Wontumi guy na yekano. The lawyer no ba. He has never made a statement say Chairman Wontumi his rights are being taken from him. And I say obi tata Chairman Wontumi. So where is Mahmoud Bawumia getting this from? He's inciting the base of the NPP. Onu said the base no Oma Bong, Omo Jimmy, Omo Kinkain. He wants to exert himself force on the NPP. Now, according to him, I will say justice and due process are not optional. They are foundations of our democracy. Till date, justice, justice. Chairman Wontumi lawyer Enka say Chairman Wontumi has been denied justice. Chairman Wontumi is going through the protocols. Chairman Wontumi is going through the Obia or Ghana Libya Frewa also come. And today, Nema Bawumia Eka say he is igniting the base. Otifie and or inciting base to go to EOCO and burn the place down. That is his angle. The third paragraph. Also, I have been in constant touch with Mr. Wontumi's legal team. Listen. He has been in contact. Or say on Chairman Wontumi team no din komo now tie. Since this morning to ensure that his rights are protected and that due process is followed. I commend them for their professionalism and vigilance. Osi fitianopa one Chairman Wontumi lawyer kasa na onim se omu ye bibia se Chairman Wontumi obi ntiete nfa wodi so. Apiakubi has stepped out of EOCO several times and granted interview. He never said Chairman Wontumi's right was being trampled upon. The lawyer of Chairman Wontumi till date Anadwi unyane na ofrena na obusane say Chairman Wontumi the fan wudie ye tietia the fan wudie so this lawyer can never tell you that. Inti what did Bawumia, where did they come up with this kind of a statement? Bawumia is a liar. Bawumia is a dangerous politician. Bawumia or it's a poison. What he was doing here was that he was indirectly calling the NPP base no Jimino go there and burn the place down. And it's 2 days ago, the kind of chaos you saw there, because they had put this message out and they read it out for the base to think, say, somebody is killing Chairman Wontumi. And it was all started by Mahamudu Bawumia. Now, let me read this paragraph for you to hear. 1, 2, 3, the 4th paragraph. I also urge the Economic and Organized Crime Office, EOCO, and all relevant state institutions to act strictly within the bounds of the law and to respect the rights of Wontumi as guaranteed by our constitution. Chairman Wontumi's lawyer has been with Chairman Wontumi from day one, since he was invited. And the lawyer has been granting interviews. That ban a lawyer and the catcher Ghana for say his rights has been taken away or trampled upon. Bawumia is sick. Yekase Obibetuma say our democracy, a typical politician, way dangerous. Mahamudu Bawumia. He's sick in the head. He was inciting the base. He was telling the thugs of the NPP, go there. Because I am telling you that Bawumia's right, Chairman Wontumi is being treated. He's not being treated well. Chairman Wontumi's right is being trampled upon. People are suffocating Chairman Wontumi. So Mahamudu Bawumia has now become the mouthpiece of chaos. This is communication. This is dialogue. Onya smarter the oya nuhu inti ni pono mukogu ona na kompeso mo shi place no. It was through the statement Bawumia release na ginger omo to go there and do that chaos, because they see Bawumia as a former vice president. Omo no so ay sempreko inti de ombeti bia na eno no mo ye. Inti what they do and they say now they are listening to Bawumia's speech. Anytime I say Mahamudu Bawumia only lawyers na kasa na lawyers de catchro, because anka Chairman Wontumi obi tietia the fan with so anka appear could be no opportunity to speak to the media till date. He should have spoken on it, and so appear could be making any statement about Chairman Wontumi being maltreated. And why is Bawumia saying this? He's inciting the thugs. He's inciting the base. He's indirectly directing them, go and cause damage, go and cause chaos. Now, over the last part of the statement, Ghana must always remain a nation governed by law, not by arbitrary power. Our republic is stronger when our institutions are both firm and fair. He's lying. Inti, P34, Mahamudu Bawumia, at the end of the day, Onim Samopatini Emubie Jiminti, he threw this in the system. Now, Yanko Edim Namamu Adikudientia Mahamudu Bawumia, Sebio Oyetrofo, he's a liar, sick up here. Now, how there? And the Attorney General never released a statement. The reason why Chairman Wontumi is being kept at EOCO. Please, at the moment, me. Ma ochina kwasiebe nkotina Wontumi kwasiebe nkotina radio so na adamo. Adada ntina sentiment to 2 pon. Adada ntina ende obi bese 24 to me fan ko plantation mu. Adada ntina no kore ni asantime mu a ende asantime ni plantation. Or sankende otum for 2,000 or 100,000 acre of area cocoa fua otumi de visitors etna ka mu efem koba. Atronia Dada anti asantuma ni plantation Morocco for oko ada eye nkura ohine omo age omo hunde so omo yo hene kase a otum for kase yo hene no omo plantation omo de visitors ko ho. Atronti no kura yen kanti ene asantuma ni cocoa for 100 acres ebi ni asantuma mu 1,000 acres ebi ni ho minjidwam. Chairman Wontumi under investigation for various criminal offenses. Some ready Bawumia kwasa some not no. Now Attorney General Bekasa. Enti we are no buta Bawumia say e dey no gina so keka sansem no kan no. Please that for muntie me. Me nko baby a me ginam. And me nko baby a me make sure say de no kura no ba chichira santeman. Ya de no kura no be gu NPP. Ya de no kura no be boa Ghana fo nyina. Now Bawumia chocho sa atro no nyina wie na o incite basis o mkoshi EOCO no. Now Attorney General na Sebio EOCO for any adwuma no and there were two nenum tuo momienti Attorney General asema waka. Now I say Chairman Wontumi investigation for various Chairman Wontumi under investigation for various criminal offenses including fraud, causing financial loss to the state and money laundering. Now mamenko kan krata na nchiro when in tripo. Now mamenko na menko kan every Attorney General on the wall. Na mingidum Deputy Attorney General friend Justice Sai. Asantemai, he's at for enyam me chenchen na meyewa obi anye mamo. Aha, so a relationship problem afakwa antena wo. So obabi jawo na so onti ase na bi akoti so a kwantena ana de mama efi ho no betuma akeka ho asem okwa anu akobie ozeb no yikoti atopono so no mama meja ma wo aha Ghana ntini yeti ha enjwamu ntini ye baaye into a problem relationship problem akwantena ana mama efi aha de Ghana fo no hia no kure no eme ye dwudwama kire omo enti ye nni agro wa ha we are not here for distraction enya kwatitintin ni kwatitieti adi ne wa ha wo aha say Ghana education eni dwudwamu ntini yeti ha ye dwudwam medwudwam na mama ndwudwa brofo nim na peas at fo nti ase Kevin Taylor me teacher your friend Mr. Fosu me English teacher your friend Madam Enyen very solid people into be kind of brofo na kind of tree no ni nyina ye teachers that be de fans ne ma suspect peas at fo muntie me menya botre aye ne kakra ai eduro beje watrema ene asesebio achechide operimo ya dodo a yedi nsuo na firim ene tina mpenifo so aka to se sebio yetete abetie na de cha no na yese otwe ankasa wankọ a ne wonam kọ ena mpenifo na saka to se sebio ye yuti boni na so wankasa ho a yese wuti ena mpenifo akasa osia pro sebio obemesa na wankasa ho a enye anokese ene titiemu ena ma obema ye kese mpenifo na kan ye omse obemesa enye macho a wo ye ene wenima efu ene bema obema na ayetenten TV so na also be yito na amansan di wa asema wo ni nyina ye be a empenifu ebu ato ho a ye to aso midwudwam akwai mabodam suspect Bernard Entwibo Siakon aka Chairman Wontumi is under investigation for various criminal offenses including fraud causing financial loss to the state and money laundering. Deputy Attorney General say suspect yakase obi a suspector sa nipa no ne ho ban asem enti se ameno ka say Chairman Wontumi friend Bernard Entwibo Siakon no Attorney General say oye nipa bi a sebio ne ho bon asem oye suspect yakase oye suspector it means say boni bi aba ema wo ho bon mu ema ya hwehwe boni ni mahu say wo ho bon mu agijim say jene into oye suspect. No, I'm saying suspect. Intended Chairman Wontumi, your friend Chairman Wontumi keke. Suspect Chairman Wontumi. And as a suspect Entwibo Siakon. You cannot just call him. You need to put the suspect in front of his name. And that's what I say. Kotitetia. Now the bakona so boom fa. Inti there be a title ni here. Inti suspect Bernard Entwibo Siakon. Inti Attorney General say ende ekono your friend Chairman Wontumi suspect Chairman Wontumi. Now Attorney General bro for what say. Chairman Wontumi we di boni a sebio omahwehwe be hu sane hu bon mu ebi ni sen ebi ni bibia fe no fraud Chairman Wontumi bukata oni Williams anafi sapon any bonfo koteketo ade omo ye the difference ni oma commit fraud ya se Chairman Wontumi commit fraud a na ni da ho ele wo bonkofo apo why no hu se enyo no na eye enso no na eye e na ban ahwehwe mu ehu se Chairman Wontumi ne ho bon fraud mu odi koti kwan so edi bone your friend fraud wadada nipa wadada man wadada mra washada edi koti kwan so edi emra ne diagro ebu mra ne komu adada Ghana ema your friend so or your fraudster into mo ni say or your fraudster he is involved in fraud please that for mo come trim. Second charge causing financial loss to the state wa Ghana ka eni daho ne ni daho han ena wa boni trimu po aya na adwiri say obedi Ghana dream your friend be causing financial loss to the state Ghana sika na edaho no Chairman Wontumi de nsa bom edi asel no ene na ne bro your friend causing financial loss to the state in fact your ba could be a shade your friend willfully na say a pair or share ye kana kumem say obedi Ghana sika enti Attorney General say adekudi enti ayamwa eye kuananta ehye EOCO ne say one oboni trimu po adada Ghana fo ya azan ebu ya kata your friend fraud. Second wasa di dwuma bie di dream ama ye ne Ghana fo ye ho akodim. Third you say sika your friend money laundering we wie sika we wie krono sika ena wafa koti kwan bi so asesa sika ne de koto kuro foforo so edi akodi dwuma wo ho eye sika fin ena waheda asesa sika ne mu amana it say sika pa ena odi akoko foforo so ena odi kodi dwuma aban edi sika ne tie dwudwom adina tata agene tata ko hu se oye bibi efe no money laundering otam sika pudio na wade koti kwan bi adane sika no mana ese sika pa na odi akoma anfoforo so na odi akodi dwuma na obeka kire say ye yankwasiafo saa nyoma wei na suspect chairman Wontumi aye enti ende aban amoa no mi dwudwam into ti asem bia ansa na be pia bontene akwa demonstration no busasa Kevin Tayl dwudwam ana me say ansa na be pia bontene say me NPP ni me kwa demonstration busa ho say eh ma me din kan ko tie Kevin Tayl wadwudwam ana ye nya dwudwam amenko because ye dwudwam wi na bon so di nkwasi asem ye bowutuo endra anka chairman Wontumi ya bon nkwasi atuo na yanko second paragraph broni beka se kratafa etoso mienu eye ne nsabuo ne chi akwabitichi erade yakwa eh akwabitichi na nka nke wo to Jehovah Witness abusuo mu dia na nkanya da empapa ya wo to Jehovah Witness abusuo mu dia akwamekatwi kasafa ede akira a ebu ne komu mienu eye second paragraph no mame dwudwam oma edin eno mo nka no krankyere ai me ana maba beye udi matama alantankun dwudwam so am obi edi asantimem na Kevin enya dia sanke ewu eno tumfo firi ode ende de be hye mempe nana onkwaso nyiniche why na mengado ai hwe mo pebe yi me hene na makukume mo boa menye mempe na ma dwudwam paragraph 2 kasa po edi akire. Yeah, I think they're rich, Mr. Don't worry. Now, the criminal investigation is running concurrently. Please, for a concurrently, make you match them. Second paragraph, will say the criminal investigation is running concurrently with asset recovery process. Attorney General Deputy Mr. Sai or say, in Shishemua Omoyan NFN investigations. Now, Sai investigations also TSC almost say Omabon the charge bear me and Sa Sikaria. Eya oman sika wia ene eya den katahye ene den proye eya fraud corruption say some investigations when na running concurrently PZ for concurrently moti ase ye se ni nyina no omo investigation ni nyina boom the same time enti anopatututu ye bie fraud file na ye bie money laundering file no na ye bie causing financial loss to the state enti omo nyina tena se ye hwehwem ni nyina the same time ni nyina etu anamon pepepe baako nkonya baako nhwehwemu ni nyina etu the same anamon Peter for Matthias here yakase bibia concurrently ni nyina etu anamon bom enti nhwehwemu no omu tu nhwehwemu no enye se ye gya bi we kire ye we ansane abaye we ni nyina no omatena so a omu dwudwam ye fa bi simultaneously and as concurrently ni nyina etu anamon bom nhwehwemu no ebom no omoye Matthias here Peter for so I'm afraid they say I'm to brofoka no problem. Now me come anyway ma. Now to prevent further dissipation of what law enforcement agencies strongly suspect to proceed to be proceeds of crime. Mama kan chow. O say adekudi ntia omo ye hwehwem ni nyina abom ne say omo ye hwehwemu no omo ade bi omo friend say ye pese ade na omo ye no sika bi nka chire na sika bi nka enim enti ye proceeds of crime enti omo pese omo hu se ade na omo ye no se sebio chairman Wontumi odi dwuma we na ko wura dwuma we mu a saa dwuma we no betuma connect to dwuma we enti sebio omo ye ni nyina di ni nyina okwan ba akoso se ne ebe ye ebi nka chire. Now over paragraph 3 now or say the suspect is also under a second strand of investigations which is part of a larger international organized crime scheme and who know present for Attorney General say apart from fraud, money laundering, willingly causing financial loss to the state, no, and we are back on a born no, or towards this year or say, Sebio, the show I no. Just see, Bonnie Bakubi de change a more denser we for Omujamanaya. When we for the Yama Tima with that night, you see, Baku a more dinning, and near the almost a chairman Wontumi. One inkofobi wa manone ena de oma ye ne se sankofo no eba dwirim sikawia omambo ene krono fitai chairman Wontumi ne sankofo ne din sawoso. He is collaborating, he is in touch, he is working hand in hand. Oni omo anase etwi anase ebokosua tafre inkofobia omudi dwima omudi bonia omo amanonia eba bibia ye friend international organized crime scheme yakase bibia international organized crime scheme ma menjudwe mu nkyerɛw enkofo bi wa abrokyire a omo no omo tumi tenase na omo hyehye bone omo tumi hyehye dwirim omo tumi hyehye ɛyɛden ɛyɛ fraud na omo manai te said ye papa no into omo betuma ka kyerɛ wo sɛ oh edan we wa abrokyire $100 million 1 edan ne nyomo dia 2 omo ni nipa osi dan no 3 sebio omo nim bibia fa dan no ho enso omo betuma kogina nim no mo twa picture na omo ye website dia kyerɛ wo sɛ omo dia into omo $100 million na to dan no sankofo from international organized crime scheme yese chairman Wontumi eno so ye kwadu foforo a ye de bebo no hey Wontumi now ma menjudwa de akanim the Economic and Organized Crime Office EOCO is assiduously working with our international law enforcement partners on this second strand of criminal investigations. Deputy Attorney General say EOCO Ghana for dia almost say oh Joma Wuninti omni another agency a wombruchire kurobia omo se chairman Wontumi edi dwimo ho edi nsawoso omudi dia nsawoso I make sure say dwimi na chairman Wontumi die no abrochire agency se sikafo security for no omudi dwuma hwehwe chairman Wontumi krono a wabo e wo sa aman so a odi free Ghana. This is not a joke. This story and yet different from El Chapo. This story you are looking, it is one deadly story. Yeah, see, I'm from Paibo and in Segwo and Dichema Wontumi obetima komu 80 years. La Bonia Chairman Wontumi dino, nankeni se members of parliament kra kwatena also omo ye demonstration amano. So be a member of parliament or kwatena parliament. Say okokasa ma Chairman Wontumi asani pano or ya kromfo se bono. Because from what the Attorney General is telling us, Chairman Wontumi is a prime suspect. Chairman Wontumi, he's an international criminal per what the Attorney General is saying. He has not been convicted. They have not concluded investigations. But per what they are saying, he has been involved in dangerous international criminal deals. He's a suspect for now, but he will not stay suspect forever. Now, Chairman Wontumi, he brags, he talks, he makes us think, say, Jimmy.
Oh, I want me who are saying. I'm handsome and I have money. My chain is about $200,000 My watch here, is $120,000 The case I want fire, say I want fair me. I want fair no bottom. I want fair wakumamu. And I'm handsome, let me in our prompronum wana. What I say? What I say? Me yet to my dear Mecca, I'm not permission. Baby Buma. I respect woman. Oh, listen. Your likeness cannot determine my success in life. Your likeness or dislikeness cannot determine my success in life. Me Wontumi. 2013, Ugu Majuma. You seized my 500 excavators, 400 pickups. Mahama, now Usro. Usro say, the other year meaning I know, still I mean, that's who hold me captaincy. Say, I'm still remain as a captain. Like I said, me back on time mining. Me guru na matwaro ye. Na me akwa wu me Usro me. Uye president to cry now baha national security for no more negotiate with me as an waba. Now you negotiate with me as an enter. Now who just Wontumi team kitwa. Who say ubetima. No man ya desi and this for no. Na me no ye na this for to make say obi to be no. Opa na mo munya ye. Omo ye one. Me ye do. Me Wontumi dia oboa. Wontumi mean slow. Now problem run Wontumi. Wontumi, Mahama. Some me no me anu gira ho ya. For soldier for do wachi. Na hwesa me what me a. Say, me buy a year and a juma ye we will push Ubatimia pushing Wontumi. Now even illegal ni legal no, what is the difference? The difference is a document to me. Now, even illegal ni legal no, what is the difference? The difference is a document to me. Now, even illegal ni legal no, what is the difference? Because me manyaska be was kasi go Mahama. Ma wabon me no kasa yi. Uti the small economics are me no Prempeh College no. A St. John Mahama the communication certificate na hold no. Oh dear. Me dear because me manyaska be was kasi go Mahama. Oh, you have money than him? Of course. I have money more than him.
How about Ibrahim?
Oh, now Wontumi kasa was kasi me Kwame.
Oh, nipa na to interview no. Wana Kwame Dinkra. Sanom di gu Kumasi o kwasi asem se ya. Kwasi a wait wu journalist anim. Kwame Dinkra asi de ko je toy. Oti Kumasi so auto high life o. So Kumasi Arkelio en kwasi ade no ti radio so Kumasi no ode. Kwasi a wait wu anim kekan kwasi asem se. Na wo da ho to wo. Wo ska chen we. Na wo ye journalist. San kwase sem na mti Kumasi o. Wo kom ni anu buofu. Ye de ho bon kwan. Ade no be kan asem. Me na me de hye. Me nka se ntia me. Wo kan ni mo so de otufu atem. Enkwase ade o mti radio so no. O mu nkyira ade. O mu explain ni nyoma nkyira o mu. O mu kan do kore nkyira o mu. Ene ye ti radio so na nkwase abe. Enti so o mangasa ti o mu zoo no mu gum. Enti uko kan asem se hey, ye mbubu wo no na ye make sure se zoo no wo no ye mbubu no na ye mbre wo say ane ye pe no we de otufu atem. Enti ende uko asantimemu a journalist fo ni bi o mada ne nkwasiafo o mu misleading kofo o mo dwame o china mo di matam fucking can we tell her girlfriend nie can we tell her aboa can we tell her ni yire meja no ba magidwam me say NPP 400 million bo kasa tie me nyame ya because ma adwin mu no mo gimi san of the Kumasi o kwasi asem say ya o sorry am say me kwa abrochire o ende me kofa plane akonkran kwa abrochire o we say han say that na drin de me person can register me company we kire konkran oh the other drin de ye kwa Ghana Music Awards o ye mtonyum ye pa ne amfa konkran ye kwa GJA Awards o we ende ene konkran Bawumia ye eye press conference before election 2024 ye see amran kran kwasiafo enti mo be wunyansa kire mo dun kran mo mu bi ene ntina MPP fo hu mo MPP asantifo ni bi mo journalist bi se mo agimi head your radio so keka obetima kotena eye nkran radio so aweka ntan kwase semwe wan so so omo adwa otena no pa ometwa pieces se ka bitele di otumfo atem asomasi nana so dome piao nana so dome mama mo piao ni history mama jujwa bibi mu nkira mo enti chama Wontumi no onie Oh, ade amti Kumasi e. Oh, ade amdi radio no eyo Kumasi. We no mdi e Kumasi o. Omo wie no mu lose election na. Omo say waka say tia santeman. We did otumfo atem. Omo ntina won kyekye impunti omu nkyira santefo ene Kumasifo no. Kwase ade omu radio so ye horu no. Ebo 430 no mu nyina kogu fufu ase. Na omo ho bonkwan Kumasi journalist. Uhia no na uchia ni sema ne ho bonkwan. 6 o'clock omo bonkwan omo mu bi enye omu nyina ha. Adan a see ewie yenko fufu e kwase sem say ya o Kwame Tanko de baby kwase kọwinsani ya ote Wontumi TV ejimi sam nkwa kọwinsani ote Wontumi TV enyo na election day obeka say aba no ye betu bi nne ni atu bi ochina Mozambique anke body trimu tuo makwase we da nam Ghana te radio so sa asem na oyeye no sa Wontumi journalist na obetena radio ka say aba na ye betu bi nne ni atu bi ochina no na nko so tu fo ka say eni so otena radio so asantememu because I didn't know no and kebetuma say asantima mo mashime nhiase unim sa it could have caused a lot of chaos and ka asantima betuma dane sa boy na otena Wontumi ka say aba no ye betu bi Saturday ni atu bi Sunday sa MPP ni boy na and asantifo penifo ema kwase atowei eda huti radio so no anytime na me di mo ho yawo sa de na boy de no se nkenye Ghana fo mo ti asantima na nim nyansa nka kro ni boy Impenifo team, ahimfu team, ahima team, obia hwe kwasia mpanyi woda. Ho ti radio so a time will come the whole Asantema betane because kwasia ana enchene ana se eye de abeba ako ne se abani nyina. Meni otumfo ankasa kwasia nka mema ntina radio so biem. But we are here. This fool is still sitting on radio. E de nyansasem na obetuma ka kire Ghanafo. Omukodi fufo 435 omukototo apeteshi 5:30 6:30 nobody dey we 7 o'clock my roof 9 no mada no research nothing anopa amako mo enfa mo station na yesi dey na esi esia eyi wofa eyi ene ebe frɛ eyi geok an ye be frɛ eye ye ofa ye meri me kasa yesi jo Mahama say ye mehwe ni nsemu ene dey biem o se nkran so ni producer no know kwasia wa anya research bia onya hwe okotena radio so wa friend opatutu nenum kan anti e be den o se anopedi sorry ate se yese kofi dwuma an yese be fa de ka akọ why na ba Agyapong ende mo nchronto e de biem yese nkran jo Mahama say eye 24 hours ka won de ba so okay na chairman de na o so chairman do da wo hyem ende mo me mpa bibi na Ghana fo hu so omo NDC fo jo Mahama na yesa na yese CJ o se CJ asem so kra de krata bebre bi o ma chro sec press conference dey me dey but ye betima ka say omo NDC say dey nyine no so ende mo hyehyɛ me ba na kwasia wanom koko anopa tututu na onam kwan so ba na wagif bo fruit na waka na otika mu tikedie odua papa na wapake na wabetena ho Asanteman mini o ende Ghana ene aba me say the amanfo ye ti Asanteman na obonwom kakra I know the Blazo, angel now can say, Peace FM, Wontumi, and your friend Kwame Tanko, and me, and your friend Kwame Okain, into the Woutian, and Yabasaba, Blazo, nom the film, Editua Betes, nom to Todim Quasiasem, or Munsia She. Editua Betes nie, and the draw idea, the area of a tomb, and the engine man point in and or that the Benkum's one sorry, a year cassette and change and ever, no more to radio or more to town argument. I want to go to court. That's a catch roll. Omoko commercial break na also di document no hwemu no di kotoko argument kotoko na kotoko time am kai opele aboaje time ai na jingles ne bo advert ne bogum na nkwase afore to den di kotoko argument nipa na obema nyansa akire no de kwase ya argument we kire akotoko na kotoko Mrs. Oni ebe pam no masa I was to preacher catch it because I say Wontumi na wasabe ya tena simpenifo and ebe drink Ghana ho nsem ene de koya eba ye ene na ye de kire wi nti otie mi a sa wo keje tia wo safo wo tafo wo market wo swame na otie mi a eye wo de hye kronkron na matena se kwase asem say wan edumi nye ede enkwase asem say wan kwase asem say wan edumi nye sa kwase asem we wan na wo wiase a odumi nye na yete wa no pa na download ye nananom ye antis no mugu kejetia no ene eyi no mutie ene ye ntiase ye ntumi nyi MPP emfa eye de asawa hye furumam na otim na nsuo to na eyi no na emfuturo bo no na enche bia popopo ne akọ eyi weekend ne akosa na bia nyanyam ne awo eyi ase nkwara no mo so abenyini enkwase asam nko a enyi radio mo fa jame. And the Mr. Channel Party won't find me. Mitiati. I Sano Mutio. Apetesi for boy ya oti Wontumi. Sa boy and who see apetition and no coco, cromfo and who can and I make up me boy and yet sa journalist only. O we juma the oko any. Asanya me catch on. 4:30 abo ofiri Wontumi aye nipa baako otwe bini ene yasesa na maguso nipa baako ade bechi no wowu kwase Afenyo was trying to back on the back obe discuss Ghana politics achiro we me kasa na ugin se bia ena me yi achiro no omunie we mu na discuss politics was antimemu ebe da na yetu bon hwede nim se kokohwede na ase hwe nipa fin we timi tina radio so ka se aba no ye betu bi Saturday ye betu bi Sunday ade oye na nkatumi say santiman etumi twajatum obekolom kupatase the dish I may are you one entry I akekedro ni wo endra no pa ye ba wo ta akekedro na asa na enne so and the fair dear bre na kwase bia na betri sebrebe wakwaji not ho twetwe ha dia sa o chairman na ti saying na no permit to radio so wan kasa ncha so na me minimum yam kakra so na girls ni twem anwa akono no chairman sa nkwase local championship na no mbo division 1 and so wo ma so Real Madrid omudu nkan pe na woni so atan omo ntebrofo kwasiafo ene me ebunu kakra aya na akekeduro no na aya na ode nkwan kakra bi eguso anse yetumi twi esa ne twi aye den enti wote akekeduro na ade boko akraka ho a aya na ma nkwan kakra bi ngoni yetumi ntwi obekọ na mbe marketing keje adwuma to aya da ye twi ayuwom aya ye twi moko utwi moko aya den ye de kogu fufu ase ai ende bre bibi na obekọ mu gunsa so se mmoa ai obekọ mu gudadesh yakọ ha ai omo kasa gu so say team ntobrogu enkwasiafo ne gu radio so asantebe mu ade amaye ne nde omo ncheche mu nche PZ4 o channel power to do maka chemo ye ntia se hwe na bema na meka chero no chema Wontumi onya hwe onya ba adwuma da onje ba contract chema Wontumi nya minister ade ntino mache no na kwasia de 250 na otim ne na nanom tewo ya sisters ni gudwom ena Mahama ena medwudwom no me say me gu party no me akobedu me gu NPP no me say me wallahi talai me gu party no and mema Ghana for ni to the point omu say nkrantie me say at a point some mountain stage Ghana for be hu some nkrantie munum nkrantie they will see you people like grass cutters